Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, Karina, and for today's vlog, guys, I'll be sharing my ano ba? Actually, every time na nag-upload ako ng vlog, it's like random lang. Hindi ko siya iniisip ko ano yung content ko ngayon. But for now, um, sadly, I'll be moving out from this apartment na to sobrang layo. It's actually like an hour away from the city. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. The reason why I wanna move out is because kailangan ko talaga magtipid, guys, because on July I'll be processing my graduate visa na, and it's not that cheap. Graduate visa here is not cheap. And JRP din yung skills assessment. So for cookery, I'm just sharing this to all of the students here who's taking up commercial cookery kasi sorry. Kasi cookery ako, so what I know is only about cookery lang. So kasi yung partner ko nag-apply na siya ng graduate visa ngayon. Nag-message siya. Yung partner ko nag-apply na siya ng graduate visa ngayon. So, medyo may mga ideas na ako if kung ako naman yung mag-apply. So, ayun, wait, replyan ko muna to kasi magtatampo na naman siya. So, what I was saying is, may idea na ako kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin if magpe-process na ako ng graduate visa ko in the future. So, estimate lang to ha. I don't really know the exact amount, but I know what, like, yung estimate lang. So, yung graduate visa is around maybe 4,000 plus. Fry ko pala. So, yung graduate visa pala, guys, is around 4,000. Pero yung haggard ko, kakagising ko lang kasi. So, pagising ko, diretso kong in-air fryer yung minarinet ko kagabi. Ooh! Look at that! Oh my god. That is so good. Oh my god. So yun na nga, guys, yung graduate visa is estimate na sa mga 4,000 plus siya. And yung skills assessment or yung JRP, yung job ready program. Actually, yung job ready program, guys, kukunin nyo yan when mag-graduate visa kayo. So yung job ready program is around maybe 2,500 to 2,500 to 3,000. So ayun, 4,000 plus 2,500, so 6,500, so nasa mga 7,000. Again, ilagay na natin na sa mga 7,000 yung magagastos nyo pag-process ng graduate visa. So, ayun. So, that's why I was planning to move out na here in the apartment kasi yung apartment ko, binabayaran ko monthly is nasa 1,412. And then, yung tuition ko is nasa 3,000 per term. Yung sahod ko is nasa mga, estimate lang, nasa mga 700 to 800 per week. And hindi yan consistent, guys, kasi depende kasi if busy yung workplace ko. If busy siya, so makukuha ko talaga yung exact 24 hours. Pero if hindi siya busy, nasa mga 20 hours lang or 19 hours lang yung makukuha ko. So So, yung iniisip ko, kailangan ko talaga mag-sacrifice. So, kailangan kong mag-move out dito and kailangan kong tumira sa malayong lugar. Kasi, pag nasa city ka, guys, sobrang mahal. Pero pag nasa suburb ka, sobrang mura. Because, yung lilipatan ko is yung babayaran ko per week is nasa $200. $200 per week. And dito sa apartment ko, it will cost around maybe $253 or $255 per week. Yung binabayaran ko. So, malaki yung difference. Like, sobrang laki talaga. So, sa lilipatan ko, nasa mga 800 lang yung babayaran ko per month. And dito, 1,412. So, diba? See the difference? Sobrang laki. I'm sad leaving this place. Actually, hindi ako ganun ka-sad na iwan ko tong place na to. Nasasayangan lang talaga ako sa view. Kasi sobrang ganda ng view dito, guys. Pero yung ayaw ko lang talaga is yung room ko. Kasi yung room ko walang window. Wala. Like, pagising mo ng morning, parang nakakatamad gumising kasi wala kang makikitang araw. And sobrang dark lang. So, ang sarap matulog. So, ayun. So, tomorrow, tutulungan ako ng ate ng partner ko and yung jowa niya na maglipat ng mga gamit. So, tomorrow night, dadalhin ko na yung mga gamit ko dun sa lilipatan ko. So, ayun. But my work, guys, is still in the city. And my school. Yung school ko pala is every Tuesday and Wednesday. For this term, every Tuesday and Wednesday. And I only have 2 terms left. So, laban lang. So, I'm currently enrolled in advanced diploma na. So, I'm currently taking up advanced diploma in commercial cookery right now. Hopefully, hindi ganun kahirap. Kasi kahapon, nung Tuesday is yung first day namin sa class. And in-explain sa amin ni chef yung mga assessments namin. And it's effing hard. Like, sobrang hirap. Para siyang business plan times 3. Yung hirap. Times 2. Yung hirap. Para sa akin para sa akin. I don't know for some. Pero para sa akin, mahirap siya. Like, iniisip ko, mahirap na siya. And, sobrang haba. Pero, yung mga nagpaplano na pumunta dito, don't stress it out muna, guys. Yung regarding assessments. Kayang-kaya, kayang-kaya naman siya. Like, 100% kaya siya. Kasi, tutulungan naman kayo. Meron namang mga learner's guide sa learning system nila. And, if ever mabagsak kayo sa first attempt, meron namang second attempt. And yung second attempt na yun, before nyo isisend yung second attempt, pwede kayong mag-ask ng help sa chef, sa prof nyo. Kung saan kayo nagkamali. And, sasabihin naman nila kung saan kayo nagkamali. Para yun lang yung babaguhin nyo. So, for example, yung number 3, mali yung sa number 3, mali yung ganito mo. So, yun lang yung re-revise mo. So, sobrang easy lang. And, ayun, feeling ko lang talaga, guys, yung pinakamahirap na assessment is yung advanced diploma lang. Feeling ko lang. Kasi kung ano yung narinig ko on Tuesday, ano yung nakita ko this Tuesday, mahirap siya. Actually, guys, today is Thursday, February 8th. So, today is my day off. And I'm gonna eat muna. I'll be back. This is my lunch.
Kadua sa una ko na mga convention.
My mom and dad is here. Hi.
Coffee!
Pamahaw. Pamahaw special. Unsa na oras? Unsa na oras diha?
9 a.m.
Dinhi. Ano ba sige? 9, 10, 11, alas 12 naman ni Dre. 30, 12 here. Kain, guys.
Daddy is here!
Daddy is here. Galing sa Manila kahapon.
No.
No. Bye. Kain muna. Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang. Actually, kanina pa ako natapos kumain. Kakatapos ko lang makipag-usap sa parents ko. And, mga 1 hour and 20 minutes ata na chikahan yun. Sumakit yung lalamunan ko. Actually, hindi ako nagla-last long na makipag-usap sa isang tao. Like, yung parang social energy ko is for 1 hour lang. And then after that, madadrain na ako. Siguro kasi hindi ako sanay. And, ayun, I'm drinking Berocca right now. Ito yung the best drink of all. And then coffee. So, ayun. So, mag-chill muna ako for maybe 10 minutes. Then, I'll start packing up. Kasi wala na akong time bukas mag-pack up, guys. Kasi bukas may work ako ng 2. And, matatapos ako ng 10 p.m. And then, pupunta na dito sila ate ng partner ko para tulungan ako lipat ng gamit. So, I need to finish everything today. Kaya, ayun. It feels so empty na, guys. And my things are here already outside. So, I'm gonna throw some of my things. Maybe that one I'll throw that away. Kasi sobrang tagal na niyan. And yeah. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga hanger. Wala na siyang space sa boxes. And I don't wanna add one box kasi hindi ako sure kung kakasya siya sa car. So, I'll do everything para ma-fit siya lahat dyan. So, yeah, that's it. Coffee break. Hi everyone. Wait. I'm cooking my nuts. Woo. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay. So right now I am currently I've just finished editing my vlog from yesterday. Kasi yesterday pumunta akong Queen Victoria Market and natapos ko na siyang i-edit. I am doing my very best to upload every week. So, sana consistent ako this year. Kasi my goal this year is consistent ako mag-upload ng vlog. Basta ang dami kong goal this year. So, isa na yan sa mga plano, sa mga goal ko. And, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Yun lang. Tapos na ako mag-pack. Everything is packed. And, nagtira na lang ako ng mga gamit. Konti dito. Kasi yung last day ko dito is next week. So, pero ililipat ko yung mga gamit ko tomorrow. Kasi yun lang yung available day nila. So, yun. And, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung share ko? So, yun lang. So, comment down below, guys, kung meron kayong gustong malaman about sa Melbourne, about being a student here in Melbourne. And I'll do my very best na mag-upload ng sit-down vlog na magsasalita lang ako, mag-share lang ako. And yun, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog even though it's very very short lang and nonsense lang. And yeah, see you on my next one. Bye guys, ingat kayo always.